In the Nishiyama district, about 3 kilometers from the epicenter, rain and ashes fell at the time of the detonation. Measurements were made in the same manner here as in the corresponding district of Takasu in Hiroshima. This is the result of measurements made with a Lauritsen electroscope. Radiation as strong as 260 times the natural leak was found here, indicating that ashes with far stronger radiation fell here as compared with Takasu in Hiroshima, where the radiation was only 5 times the natural leak. Radioactivity at Nishiyama decayed with time. Curve A was obtained by successive measurements at different times. The half-value period was 44 days. Curve B indicates radioactivity in the ground at the epicenter. Radiation at the epicenter was caused by direct bombardment by neutrons, at Nishiyama by fission products. This may explain the difference, but the question is yet to be clarified. Radioactivity of the Earth was measured with samples taken from a roof, shown by curve C, and from a sheet iron, shown by curve D. Although a definite explanation of the difference is difficult, a probable reason is that the Earth taken from the roof was washed by rain and lost its original composition. We know that the radioactivity at Nishiyama was due to the fission products of the atomic bomb, which were brought down to the ground by rain. It is an interesting question how far such radioactive dust extends over the Shimabara Peninsula. To answer this question, the intensities of radiation emitted by the ground were measured all over the peninsula with a Nair electrometer. To the northwest at Tokitsu, the value was 4.8 J. To the south at Mogimachi, the value was 4.9 J. Since all these values were about the same as the natural leak of our Nair electrometer, we concluded that radioactive dust did not fall either to the north or to the south of the epicenter. Because the west wind prevailed in this district at the time of the detonation, we extended our observations toward the east and found that radioactivity extended all over the Shimabara Peninsula. Starting from Nishiyama, we proceeded toward the east to Unzen, and as far as Shimabara, and then encircled the entire peninsula. From the results, we saw that the strongest radioactive point was at Nishiyama. That on proceeding eastward, the intensity gradually decreased at first and then increased again, showing a second maximum of 55.4 J at the Agami, 9 kilometers from the epicenter. The intensity then decreased again as we went eastward until we came to Shimabara, 47 kilometers from the epicenter, where we found the third maximum of 16.4 J. From these results,